Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever posted a TikTok video that didn't get the attention it deserved, don't worry, you're not alone. One of the biggest reasons some videos go viral while others don't comes down to one simple thing: hashtags. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find trending hashtags on TikTok using a powerful tool called the Hashtag Analyzer. Now, instead of guessing which hashtags might work, this tool gives you real data. When you open the Hashtag Analyzer, you get access to up to 3 years of hashtag performance history. That means you can see how many times a hashtag has been published, how many video views it's received, and even which age groups and countries are engaging with it. It's like having insider information on what's trending and who's watching. What's really cool is how easy it is to use. You can generate hashtags directly from TikTok, Google, or Bing, or use the built-in AI feature to instantly create smart, relevant hashtags based on your niche or topic. If you're not sure where to start, you can explore the top 100 hashtags across 18 different industries and countries. That makes it super simple to find what's hot globally, or in your specific market. The trend charts show which hashtags are currently taking off, and audience insights help you target the right viewers. Instead of posting blindly, you'll know exactly which hashtags can give your videos the best chance to go viral. So if you're serious about growing on TikTok, start using data instead of guesswork. Try the Hashtag Analyzer, explore your niche, and watch how the right hashtags can transform your content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Need better hashtags that actually bring more traffic? With the Hashtag Analyzer, you get 15 columns of powerful data revealing the exact tags that put your content in front of thousands of people ready to buy. Get up to 3 years of power-packed data including published counts, video views, age ranges, related hashtags, top interests, and the top countries engaging with those hashtags. You can generate tags directly from TikTok, Google, or Bing. You can even analyze AI-generated hashtags with the click of a button. Don't know what to search for? No problem. See the top 100 hashtags in all major countries across 18 industries, revealing what's working right now so you can stay ahead of the current trends.